pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. I am doing my second look with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Mastered Palette. Say that real fast. And Remastered. Yes. And I like it. I am so far so good. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Karen. I do hope that you will comment down below and say hello. I do a lot of different things on this channel. I love doing makeup tutorials, sharing beauty tips. I am over 40, so this is a beauty over 40 channel. However, most of my tips pretty much everyone can use. There's just some extra for us gals with mature eyelids and mature skin and all that fun stuff. But I also go through subscription boxes and a bunch of other things. So I'd love to get to know you. Make sure you say hello to me in the comments and let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so my second look with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. If you haven't seen her, here she is, and you will be seeing her in the Glam Bag X if you're getting that. Okay, so I want to do another look. I did one look with it and I didn't use as many colors as, well, let's play with her. Let's see how she can do. We're just gonna be testing this out. Probably this whole week I'll probably end up using this. All right, let me go in with a crown brush. I've got on concealer on my eyes and I'm gonna go in with Suede. And we're gonna put that right where we would for the transition. Oh, this brush was more for patting down and not blending. This is the crown brush set, part of the crown brush set that we got in Boxy. Yeah, I know, I'm still looking busted too. I don't know how to edit that out. But it's okay. It's from doing tile by myself. Always clumsy. Okay, so we've laid her down. Let me grab a blending brush. I am a favorite of Jaclyn Hill's. I do love these blending brushes that she and Morphe have. I'm going to try to stay away from this. Yeah, I can't cover it with makeup because it's still kind of like an open wound.
Hi guys.
Jackson says hello, and now he's going to let mommy do a video, right? And
yeah.
Be quiet? Okay, good. Yay!
Also let them know I'm in the corner, but I'm not in trouble.
You're in the corner, but you're not in trouble? Okay. Yeah. Alright. So, next. Sandalwood? What do we want to do? Henna? Would that be too warm? I don't know. This is a cool color. And then this one over here looks more warm. What do we want to do here? Let's take Sandalwood on one of Nikita and Morphe's brushes. And let's just see how... Well, that's very light. But I do like that color. We'll put her in the crease here. Jackson, you need to move. You're distracting me. Okay. Staring at me in the corner. Alright, Sandalwood's not bad. It's a pretty color. Gonna take the same blending brush. I'm excited. This is my only outlet. I get to talk to you guys. And my back's been killing me. Alright. But I'm doing good. I think Jackson's hiding. Alright. Now, I'm doing good. Did I say that? Well, yeah, I'm happy to be doing a video on this palette. That I'm very excited about. I wanted to do some, you know what? Maybe we should do like a black and gold look kind of thing. Let's see. Oh, I got my coffee here. Do you guys have your coffee? I gotta have mine. Dubai is like a dark kind of color. Let's see what we got. Jackson, stop it.
What?
Go in the other room.
Okay.
24K. Let's try this.
But I'll be still waiting for you.
Okay. Oh, it's crumbly. And you're gonna have to build it. Oh yeah, definitely gonna have to build that. But it is buildable. Some shadows are just crumbly, but that doesn't mean that they're bad. Sometimes the ones that have more fallout usually have more pigment and are easier to blend. Or easier to blend. Here we are. Ooh, I love new palettes. Love it, love it, love it. I was going to continue my collection of palettes, but I think we're going to end up with like 5 videos. I did the first declutter. Okay, I do like that. I'm going to have to use a little bit more setting spray just to give it that pop that the other eye has. Trying to stay away from my boo-boo. Still can't believe it did that. Fell over, tile went, yeah, fun. All right, so we have a black in here. Let's see about Dubai. Dubai is a darker shimmer. And then we're gonna put it on this brush here, which is a Morphe M408. And let's see, okay, yeah. These two colors remind me of the colors I used in a different palette recently. I can't remember the name, but I wanted to use this palette again because I liked the first look, and I also wanted to give you guys a full review with using pretty much most of the colors. So you know what you're getting in the Glam Bag X. You have an idea of what you can do. Okay, so that's not too bad. They're okay there. And let's grab my Jaclyn Hill blending brush, and we're just going to go in the crease here and blend that out. Ooh. Can't wait to go tanning again. And shopping. Okay, that looks so much better. I'm kind of wanting to put like black in here as usual. That's just me. I don't know why. All right, let's try bubbly in the center and see what it does, because I'm just curious. This is like the lightest shimmer that's in here. Ooh, I like. Ooh, can you see that? That is pretty. I'm finding myself digging into it, but it's pretty. Okay. So how many looks would you like to see with this palette? All right. I'm trying not to irritate my back. I was just laying on the heating pad for like hours. I think I'm going to be living on there for a while, at least until my bathroom's done. Which, by the way, the tiles came and they were cracked, but the new ones. Okay. But you know what? You just keep on pushing through things, don't ya? 2021, I'm determined. A good year. All right, so what do we want to do? We want to, what colors do I have over here? Got, I almost put this in my mouth as my cigarette. Good job, Karen. I think I need Starbucks today. These are working great for the waterline underneath. You just have to be a little bit careful because it's such a thick tip. See, like it comes down. Like I can fix it, but don't be rushing to use it, putting it on. Okay, let me see. I think this gold 24 karat I'm gonna put right here. Ooh, I like. I definitely want to get a spray tan. I think this color would look amazing on dark skin. Okay, so I've got that in there. We'll put a little bit of Dubai. Just a little bit. And then we're going to go back with our stiffy. There it is there. And go into black truffle, which is that matte black in this palette. We're going to put that there. Okay, I did use some bronzer, the Anastasia Beverly Hills that I picked up at TJ Maxx, which was awesome. It's in Rich Amber, and I did use the Patrick Ta blush in She's Sincere. So I am liking that. The more I use it, the more I like it. It's just light, and it's, you gotta build it. Okay, so before I got a phone call. All right, let's go in with this crown pointy. No, you know what? That's not gonna work. That one's just too hard. We need a crease brush that's not so difficult to work with. Oh, my dirty. No, that one's too flimsy. All right, we can go in with this one. This is a Jaclyn Hill. And we're just gonna smoke this. Blend it.
Oh, you didn't wash it, did you?
Nice and easy. I did put a little bit of liner on the top of my eye. I don't feel like a wing today. I think that, you know, we'll keep things as what they are. I am liking this look. It's nice, and it's kind of like neutral, and any outfit I wear with it will be fine. And I always take those things into consideration, what you're going to wear with what look. So, all right, we're going to do a brow bone highlight, and we're going to go in with Moon Dust to do it. Let's see. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh, I can't believe I like a Huda palette. I've got one. I returned the Naughty Nudes because it did not work for me. But I've got that mint palette I used before, and it was like the quad. No, not the quad. It was the 9-pan. I'm sorry. It's over here somewhere. Anyway, I liked that one. That one wasn't bad. I only used it once though because it's like all mint and green colors. Okay. Do I want to do an inner corner highlight? Do I? This shade is crumbling like crazy. Let's just put that right there. Ooh. Super pretty. Okay, let's do some mascara. And I've been using a few lately. Oh, let's go in with the Tarte Man Eater and see how that works. Whoa. Look at that wand. Oh, okay. I wish I had more lashes. My lashes basically stay straight most of the time because I wear false ones all the time. I just really like my lashes to be super long. Okay. You always want to coat the bottom lashes, especially if you have shadow, because the shadow gets on the lashes. If you have shadow underneath here, you definitely want to coat down here. And if you use too much, comb through it. And you can lift it too. I'll show you how to do that. Mine, I don't really have to lift anymore, but what you do is you grab a spool. Take the spoolie, go underneath, and curl it. This way they look nice and fluffy. I love it. All right, only going to do one coat of mascara today. I want to follow up with some lashes and a lippy. This is what my palette looks like after the second use. It is a $65 palette, so you guys know. And it came with this card inside it. I'm going to put that back like that. I do like the mirror. The packaging is pretty cute. Overall, I'm enjoying it. I have to build up a little bit of the colors, but they're staying. They look good. It's blended. I like, so I'm happy. Let me get some lashes on and a little bit of gloss, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm actually just going to use a Morphe lip topper. This is Fortune Teller on my lips, and it's perfect because it kind of matches the gold. So I'm liking that. But this is my finished look. It's just a casual kind of look. The lashes that I'm wearing are Ardell Wispies. I have not tried these in a while. But they're okay. You know, it definitely changes the eye look. I will tell you that much. Eyelashes are, yeah, it changes everything. So this palette, this is my second look with it. I plan on doing more looks. What colors would you like to see me use? Definitely put that down in the comments below. I just want to take this time to say thank you for watching this video. I really do love doing makeup tutorials. It brightens my day. I love putting on makeup. It just changes everything about you. But I have a question for you. What is it that you love most about makeup? I'm curious. Definitely put the answer to that in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you take a chance on this channel and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.